Yoga Asanas for stress, anxiety, and high blood pressure, mental health tips. The benefits of yoga, for mental and physical health, are known to one and all. Recent studies have found that yoga can be more effective in managing generalized anxiety disorder, as compared to standard education on stress management. Breathing exercises, meditation and relaxation exercises can be helpful in improving symptoms of the condition. Yoga poses that can help in curbing anxiety. 1. Sukhasana or easy pose yoga. How to do it? This is one of the easiest yoga poses. Sit cross-legged, on the ground, with your knees wide apart. Keep your spine straight. Now slowly breathe in and out. Sit in this position for as long as you can. 2. Camel pose yoga. Dhanurasana, or camel pose, can help in releasing stress and improve blood circulation throughout the body. Improved blood circulation means better supply of oxygen, which can be healing for your mind and body. The camel pose can help in releasing stress and improving blood circulation. At Sportywitty, our mission is to encourage people, of all ages, both men and women, to make physical activity and outdoor sports a part of their daily fitness routine. So, stay connected, and subscribe, and press that bell notification icon to stay updated. 3. Bridge pose yoga. Just like camel pose, even the bridge pose, or Bandhasana, can improve blood circulation in the body. It opens up the front of spine and heart, which further helps in calming the mind and reducing stress. 4. Butterfly pose yoga. This is a simple and basic yoga posture, which can stretch your inner thighs and groin. Perform the asana while keeping your spine erect, and it can help in releasing tension, and can have a calming effect on your body. 5. Seated forward bends yoga pose. Also known as Paschimottanasana, the seated forward bends can open the back of legs and spine. Take deep breaths while performing the pose, and it can help in reducing stress and anxiety. 6. Cow yoga pose. Dhanurasana is one which helps in releasing tension from the spine. This yoga pose can improve flexibility and can also calm you. 7. Child's pose yoga. Also known as Balasana, this yoga pose is known to be a relaxing pose. It can have a rejuvenating effect on the body. The yoga pose can also be done for getting relief from back and neck pain. 8. Bow pose yoga. Dhanurasana, or the bow pose, gives a good stretch to your body. It opens up shoulders, chest and neck, and helps in releasing tension from these areas. 9. Legs up the wall yoga pose or Viparita Karani. Lie down on your back, close to the wall sideways. Rest your legs and feet on the wall with your head on the ground. Try to maintain a 90-degree angle, and make sure your shoulders and hips are in line. Keep your hands relaxed by your side. Relax and practice deep breathing to calm your mind. After 5-10 minutes, fold your legs to your chest and roll to the side. End your session with 10. Corpse pose yoga. This pose is one of the most popular yoga poses for relieving stress, anxiety and reducing depression symptoms. Shavasana can be done as the last or closing pose to your yoga session. One can also meditate while performing the corpse pose. It relaxes and recharges your body. Besides these yoga poses, you can also do breathing exercises, like pranayama and meditation, for 10-15 minutes every day. Yoga can be a great way to improve your body's flexibility, and can even help you lose weight. What works best for you? Do let us know your comment below, and if you like the content of this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.